Hey traders, just a quick one on natural gas and gold. Today only I was going to start with natural gas first. So as per my yesterday's video, as I was expecting a push down to this pink zone, I was expecting a hit of 20 EMA, but we didn't get any sort of entry reason. Looking at that, I'm expecting market to hit further down to 50 EMA at least to take long trades or between this pink zone, which is 5.200 and it goes up to 5.325. I will look for buy trades once we have a hit of this zone. I will look for buy trades only either on 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. As you can see, market is about to approach this pink zone, this red zone, and once we get an engulfing or a double bottom move, we will take an entries 180R above and 180R below. So still bearish market can still move down until this pink zone, between this pink zone 2, and we will enter once we get a good entry reason. Same goes with capital.com. Market is approaching the level of structure support from where I will look for either an engulfing or double bottom trades either on 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. We look for entry reason on both time frames. I'll still expect market to move further down, and we expect some bearish move from the market as the market has broken below 20 EMA. Look for a buying reason once we approaches this zone or once we hit 50 EMA, and of course if we break below 50 EMA, then we can expect some more bearish move from natural gas. Let's check gold. So right now, as you can see, as per yesterday video, I was expecting some bearish move, which we got right here. And as you can see, the market now approaches the level of major structure support, and I will look for an entry reason either on 4 hour or on 1 hour time frame. If you look at 1 hour time frame, we still didn't touch our zone. We might get a push down in this zone, between this zone, which is 1908, and it goes down to 1896. So once we get a hit of this zone and we get an entry reason like an engulfing candle or a double bottom move like I normally take from these zones, once we get that either on 4 hour or 1 hour time frame, I will go for long trades only. Of course, if we do not get any sort of entry reason between this zone and break below this zone, then I will look for short trades, which is less likely as the market is now about to oversold. So looking at that, I'm expecting a hit of this zone and a bullish move from gold. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.